Well, we came up to the farm this weekend to try to work on the spotlight, and we've had over 5 inches of rain last night on top of the rain that we had earlier the week. So this place is absolutely flooded. The rain gauge was full at 5 inches, and God knows it's been raining ever since, but now it's supposed to stop. All back here, it's flooded out. I don't know if you can see it. The pond is full. The roads going out to 17 are just terrible. And Dad and Parker up here took a ride back to the swamp, or to the ground blind. They're going to walk. So I decided to put on my boots, try to keep my feet dry. And I'm going to walk out there and see how much water's out there. I mean, just wet, muddy. I can't do anything with this spotlight because I need to be out here in the open and get wire and tools and everything out, and I just don't want to start raining again. But the roads are just muddy. The pond is full on top of this little pond that popped up. So that just goes to show you how much rain we've had. I mean, full to the top. So the little spotlight still laying here, doing nothing. I'll get it going sooner or later. So let's take a walk back to the ground blind. Oh, man. There's water, 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 water everywhere. Ditches are full. And our intention was to come up here like daylight to go hunting, but when I woke up at 5 this morning, it was pouring down rain. And these roads aren't bad. It's on the other side of Clark's place is where they are terrible. I'll get some video of that going out. Maybe if we go that way home. I might ride through the forest actually. So Dad came up in the middle of the week and cut all this grass here all the way down to the property line. Way, way down the road with a push mower, which is amazing. Planted it all with ryegrass, and the rain came, so I'm sure these ditches will be nice and green. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm not sure what to do here, boys and girls. These snake boots are supposed to be waterproof. But I don't know. We're about to find out if I don't slip and kill myself first. Well, so far so good. Wow. Yep, I feel water. Holy. I don't know if this is going to work out or not. Stand by, let me see if I can get through this damn mud hole here. Well, actually. Yep, here comes the rain. Hey, the water's flowing through here, making its way all the way to the swamp, I guess. Flowing right here. Coming this way, flowing this way. All the way down to the swamp, I guess. Wow. That's a lot of water. Yep, just walked through all of that. This is the end of it. Hmm. Ooh wee! You ain't kidding. Oh.
I don't think I've ever seen it this time flooded.
I've never seen it this flooded, period.
Yeah.
Out of all the walking you've done back here?
Yeah. Now, back off in there's Puddles Lake, you know?
Yeah.
But nothing but water. I've never seen it.
What?
It just tells me one thing. That over there starting to stop up, you know?
Yeah. Well,
As far as all this water.
yeah.
You might have to put some pipes in that damn thing.
Is there one in there already?
Just that one.
There's a couple
Shit,
more.
this is the way this like. You only need 2 pipes in that damn thing.
Yeah.
Bridge in there.
Because this tells me later on down the road.
I think Parker took us into the damn lake, didn't he?
I think I took a little bit of water on that deal.
Yeah. Yeah, see, here's where it's flowing. See it flowing out of there?
Yeah.
Flowing into here.
We have it for gold. Starts from there. And run up that road.
Yeah, all this water here collecting, and had a trench just to get it right on down there. You go right in that swamp. That would clear all this out.
In water, put your feet in grease, they don't sweat.
All right. Well, that's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, you're gonna have the prettiest ditches on Palmer's Bridge now, Dad.
Oh, it's on grass seeder.
Yeah. I don't know. It might have stuck up there. Let's see it. Kinda.
I don't see nothing.